So, Charlie, what do you think of my fidgets? This is called a koosh ball. 10 out of 10. He loves it. Can I have it? He won't give it to me. Thank you. Monkey noodle. Oh my gosh, he loves it. What's he doing there, buddy? How about this bike chain? Oh, he's a fan of that. What do you think? You like it? Like it? Oh, can I? He won't give it to me. Can I have it, please? Please, give me my bike chain. Thank you. How about... I'm really scared of my mochi. Cat mochi? Please be nice to it. Charlie, what do you think of it? Like, oh. Okay. How about... Okay, he really likes that one too. And while you decide what you think of the poppet, I'm gonna grab another fidget. I'm grabbing some fidgets. See what he thinks of them. Alright, Charles, what do you think of the poppet? What do you think? You like it? Listen to it. Oh, I actually tried to play with it. He really likes it. Okay, what do you think about this pea popper, sir? What do you think? Do you like it? I think he likes it a little too much. Careful, don't put your fidgets around to animals because you never know what they're gonna do with them, and they're not. If you get your fidgets around them and if you give them your fidgets to play with and they get popped or destroyed, it's not the animal's fault because you shouldn't put them around animals because they're curious. They don't know what to do. Also, careful with fidgets around babies. Okay, thank you. Anyways, Charlie, what about this squirrel cup? But it's a cat. Huh? He loves it. Anyway, so, what about this fidget spinner? Oh my gosh. Look, it's also a poppet. Cat versus fidget spinner. Oh, he doesn't like the fidget spinner. Where'd I go? I got one more. I got another one, Charlie. Charlie, fidget ball, puzzle ball, whatever you want to call it. 10 out of 10. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. But before we go, make sure to like and subscribe, and go check out Fun Elizabeth's channel. I'll link her channel in the description below. Bye, guys.